Welcome to our quick guide on finding your likes on Facebook, updated so you can navigate with confidence. If you've ever needed to review what you've liked over time, this walkthrough shows you exactly where to look and how to interpret your activity. First, open the Facebook app on your device. From the home screen, locate the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This menu icon opens a hub of settings and options that control your Facebook experience. Tap the menu icon to reveal more, then select Settings and Privacy, followed by Settings. This is your control center for privacy, activity, and account preferences. You'll notice sections that help you manage what you share and what others see. Next, scroll to find your activity and tap into it. This area holds a log of actions you've taken on Facebook, giving you a chronological view of your engagement. It's where you can reflect on past interactions at your own pace. Within your activity, look for interaction. This subcategory groups interactive moments like likes, reactions, comments, and shares. It's designed to help you filter the different kinds of activity you've had on the platform. Tap on like and reaction to open the specific record of everything you've liked or reacted to. Here you can review posts, photos, comments, and other content you've shown appreciation for. The list may be long, so you can scroll or use any available filters to narrow down by date or type. If you're trying to clean up or audit your profile, this is also a convenient place to unlove or adjust reactions to items that no longer reflect your current preferences. While you're here, take a moment to note how your activity aligns with your privacy goals and online presence. That's all there is to locating your likes and reactions on Facebook. A few taps put you in control of your past interactions, making it easier to reflect, curate, or redefine your online footprint.